Welcome back to another video. I'm How to Tech Tips, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to permanently turn off notifications silent. This usually happens when you turn off your Do Not Disturb and it still ends up showing up for all of your friends and family that want to text you. And you will not get any notifications saying that they texted you. It'll be all silent. So how you normally would do it is you would go to your focused and then turn on Do Not Disturb. And then of course you would think that normally you would just turn it off and that should be it. Unfortunately, sometimes that's not all that you would have to do. So I'm going to show you a workaround. So you would have that Do Not Disturb turned off on your phone, and then you would go to your settings, and in your settings, you would go to focus, and in focus, you'll have to make sure that share across devices is turned off. So you can see mine's turned off. And this basically means that when you turn on Do Not Disturb, it'll Do Not Disturb all of your other devices. So your iPad, your Apple Watch, your MacBook, and so on. So you have to make sure that this is turned off and that notification will go away. Thanks for watching. I'm How to Tech Tips. Please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any requests of any videos, please let me know.